Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ty with another video. Today I will be showing you how I installed this 360 lace wig, and I will be showing you guys how easy it was for me to put this wig into a ponytail due to these invisible straps in the back, and we will talk about this a little bit more later on in the video. Y'all, this wig is so bomb and I'm super excited to share with you guys everything about this wig. The install was crazy. The updo, I loved it. I loved it wet. I loved it dry. Baby, it's tea. So some of the perks about this wig is that the hairline does come pre-plucked. It also comes pre-cut, so it's really not much that you have to do with this wig. The color of the lace was perfect for me. It blended right in with my skin tone. Did not have that ashy white look. And here's the inside of the wig, so you can see the adjustable straps that I mentioned earlier. You're able to pull them to get your own custom fit with this wig. I'm telling you, almost any size head does not matter. You can pull those straps to be able to pull it up in any type of updo. And here you can see how well the hairline fits in the back after I tighten and adjust those invisible straps. It fits perfectly. In that case, no glue is needed. And in a few moments, I'll show you how to get it to look very natural. So this wig is a glueless unit, so you do not have to add glue or holding spray. However, as you can see here, I am using holding spray, but it's not needed. Look at the lace. The lace look amazing on this wig. So I'm just going through, adding my holding spray to my finger and then applying it to my lace, followed by my melt band to ensure maximum hold. If you love thick full wigs, this is the one for you. I did have to pull out my wax stick to ensure that maximum flatness at the top, because I like my wigs to be flat even though it is curly hair. I will go back and add water to get those curls back towards the root. Yeah, let me get it real flat first to get that install to eat, just like that. So now I'm going in to pull out my little baby hair. So I did go in and pluck this section because you see here, it is quite thick to me, and I like full baby hair, but I don't want it to be too thick. So I like to go in and take a lot. See how much hair I took out? That much. And just a quick reminder, this is how it looked before I plucked it, and that's how it looked after. So I seen this on TikTok to swoop it with your finger and then cut at an angle to make sure you don't cut off too much. Because with curly hair, I like fluffy baby hair. So keep watching, trust the process, and you will see how I achieve my fluffy baby hair. Okay, really quick, yes, this wig came pre-plucked. However, I do like to go in and pluck behind my baby hair, pretty much like behind my hairline, to customize my wig even more, because I love for it to give scalp and give that gradient look. So I'm just going through and plucking just this side that is exposed so that I can get it to look really natural like that. And to achieve fluffy baby hair, you must comb it out. So that's why I like to use some type of mousse to make sure it stays fluffy when I comb it out. The natural fluffed out texture of this hair looks amazing. But really quick, for my effortless ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and pull it up, but also pull out some strands of hair in the back just to cover up the little bit of lace that is left behind. if you decide to glue it down. But since I'm not gluing it down, I like to pull out some strands of hair just so you can't see it. Pull out a few more now that my ponytail is in, just to make sure it's all seamless. Fluff out my bun and we're done. She look good, baby. Don't she look good? Let me know down below what you think about this ponytail method, as well as this adjustable strap 360 lace unit. Are you going to go get you one, sis? Click the link if so. There's the strap once again to show you that you can pull it still once it's in a ponytail to make sure it's tight, secured, and flawless. Then I go ahead and tuck that string back in to get that final look. And of course, the curly hair in a bun eats as well. It's all gorgeous and very cohesive, curls from roots to tip. So don't forget to click the link down below so you can go and get your 22-inch 360 adjustable strap lace wig. So until next time, I love you guys. Stay safe.